A curriculum is a set of learning activities, academic content, strategies, guidelines, and assessment designed to achieve the required learning objectives. Every educational organization needs a complete strategy to create its curriculum. Curriculum is the core of formal education system consisting of school education, teacher education, and higher education. We all have gone through the schooling process and we are aware that all the activities in the school revolve around a curriculum. So the scope of curriculum is very broad. It encompasses syllabus, textbook, teaching learning process, and also assessment. A curriculum framework is a defined planning structure which helps schools or institutions in developing their own educational curriculum. NCF is a national curriculum framework published by NCERT. It provides framework for making the textbook and setting syllabus for the books which are published by NCERT and read by students in most of the Indian schools. It focuses on making books interesting for the students and to inculcate a habit of reading books. It also focuses to shift education from rote learning to understanding. It tries to reduce the gap between what students read inside schools and what they encounter outside the schools. It basically aims to provide an interesting, useful, proper study material to the students of India so that they can learn efficiently. As NCERT has been established in the year 1961 with one of the major mandates of developing curriculum material in the area of school education, therefore it had developed its first curriculum framework brought out in 1975 and titled the Curriculum for the 10th Year of School Education, a framework in 1975, and provided adequate space to the recommendations of National Education Commission 1964-66, which was popularly known as Kothari Commission, and the National Policy on Education 1968. However, as a follow-up of the NPE 1986, NCERT brought out another curriculum framework titled the National Curriculum for Elementary and Secondary Education, a framework, in the year 1988, which had placed much more importance to the common core suggested by the NPE 1986. After that, it was felt that curriculum needs to be flexible and relevant to meet the needs of diverse learners. Also, issues of curriculum load and examination stress needed attention. Therefore, National Curriculum Framework was reviewed in the year 2000 and then in 2005. And the latest NCF 2005 appeared as a result of this review. The last 4 NCF released in India focused on students from teachers to ensure learning without burden. Now try this.